Hi.
Say hi. Oh, what you doing? Playing in the room with a dog. Come here and throw the ball for Bert. What was that about, Bert?
He wants him to throw it. Throw the ball.
The ball.
Parker, throw the ball.
No? You were just having so much fun throwing it to Bert.
Parker's room's all set up.
I think I'm gonna get, those fabric letters? Like put fabric ones. It's like Parker. So if he falls, it won't hurt his head. Like those pictures up there. They're cute little letters. Spell your name.
Who got that thing for you?
It's Aunt Kayla and Grandma.
Barton, I don't know if you can fit through there with him. You can, apparently.
You're funny.
Throw the ball for Burton. Throw it out here.
Throw it.
Yeah, good boy. I don't want it, Burton.
Yeah, I heard that bird. I heard it. Look, we sleep. Ryan's old stuffed animal. What was his name?
Pound Puppy, I think.
Yep, that's what your parents did anyway.
Alright, Parker, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
There you go, good boy.
And some light in here.